Top 5 apps like Igloo Trailmate Journey 70 Cooler Review that actually work today. The Igloo Trailmate Journey 70 leaky cooler is known for keeping ice for days, but most people get this wrong by not exploring other reliable options. The surprising truth is there are apps that let you compare, review, and purchase high-performance coolers easily. Here are 5 that actually work today. First, offers a wide selection of coolers with detailed reviews and ratings. Users highlight durable designs and fast shipping. Second, Base Pro Shops specializes in outdoor gear, including high-capacity coolers. App users love verified customer feedback and in-depth product descriptions. Third, Cabela's features heavy-duty coolers for camping and fishing trips. Customers report reliable service and informative reviews. Fourth, Amazon provides a variety of coolers with verified buy reviews and competitive pricing. Users appreciate quick shipping and multiple brand options. Finally, Walmart offers affordable coolers with customer reviews and convenient pickup options. Users love the variety and accessible pricing. Pro tip: always check insulation ratings, ice retention claims, and verified reviews before buying. The right cooler can make outdoor adventures much more enjoyable. Using these 5 apps, you can shop confidently for durable and high-performing coolers, whether it's for camping, fishing, or tailgating.